Good morning, children. I welcome you all for the annual exam revision. Now, in the first bit, we are going to do 12 questions. So watch the video and do it once in your CW. Okay. The first question is represent minus 2 by 13, 5 by 13 and minus 9 by 13 on a number line. You all know how to draw a number line. With a scale, draw a horizontal line. Okay, mark the arrows. Okay, then in the center you have 0. On the right side you have positive numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and on the left side you have negative numbers, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. So this one is 0. We have to represent minus 2 by 13, 5 by 13, minus 30, minus 9 by 13 on the number line. So this center will be 0 by 13. And on the right side you have 1 by 13, 2 by 13, 3 by 13, 4 by 13 and 5 by 13. And on the left side you have minus 1 by 13, minus 2 by 13, minus 3 by 13, minus 4 by 13, minus 5 by 13, minus 6 by 13, minus 7 by 13, minus 8 by 13, and here is minus 9 by 13. Okay, so what all you have to represent on the number line is minus 2 by 13, circle it, 5 by 13, circle it, and minus 9 by 13, circle it. Okay, children, so this was question number 1. Now question number 2 is find 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. What do you mean by rational numbers? The numbers written in P by Q form, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0, is called rational numbers. So to find 12 rational number between two integers, minus 1 and 2 are integers, no? What we have to do is, you have to multiply and divide both the integers with 100. Okay? To find 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2, we multiply and divide by 10. So minus 1 into 10 divided by 10. Other one is 2 into 10 divided by 10. So this one will be minus 1 into 10 will be minus 10 by 10, and 2 into 10 is 20 by 10. So you can write any 12 rational numbers between minus 10 by 10 and 20 by 10. Therefore, minus 9 by 10, minus 7 by 10, any you can take, minus 5 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 2 by 10, 1 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 6 by 10, 7 by 10, 12 by 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and minus 19. 19 by 10 are 12 rational numbers between minus 1 and 2. So to find rational numbers between two integers, we multiply and divide by 10, and we write the rational numbers between them. Okay, now question number 3. Simplify 5 to the power of minus 4 by 5 to the power of minus 6 into 5 to the power of 3. So here this is division, children. So minus 5 to the power of minus 5, 5 to the power of minus 4 by 5 to the power of minus 6 into 5 to the power of 3. This is the question. So if bases are same, in division the powers get subtracted. So minus 4 minus minus 6. Okay. This is into 5 by 5 to the power of 3. Here which law we have applied? A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Okay. So this one will become 5 to the power of minus 4, minus into minus, plus 6 into 5 to the power of 3. So this will become, one is plus, one is minus, subtract and put bigger number sign. So 5 to the power of 2 into 5 to the power of 3. Now if bases are same, in multiplication what will happen? The powers get added. So 5 to the power of 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5 to the power of 5. Okay, here which law we have applied? A to the power of m, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Okay. Now next, question number 4. Simplify 1 plus 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 3 to the power of minus 1 plus 4 to the power of 0. So here it means 1 plus 2 to the power of minus 1 means 1 by 2 to the power of 1. Okay, plus 1 by 3 to the power of 1 plus 4 to the power of 0 is nothing but 1. Here we have applied two laws. First one, a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 by a to the power of m, and second one what we have applied is a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so this is 2 to the power of 1 is nothing but 2. So now we will take the LCM. Okay, the LCM of 2 and 3 will be 6. See the denominators. 6 in 1's table into 6. 2 in 6 table. 2 3s are 6. 3 watts are 6. 3 2s are 6. 1 watts are 6. 1 6 are 6. So 1 6 are 6. Plus 3 1s are 3. Plus 2 1s are 2. Plus 1 6 are 6. So it is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 by 6. 17 by 6. Okay, children? (17 by 6) is the answer. If you want, you can write it in mixed fraction also. 17 here, 6 here. 6 2s are 12. So how many remains? 5. So it can be written as 2 5 to the power of 6 also. Okay. Next, find the area of circle inscribed in a square of side 28 centimeter. We have to find the area of a circle inscribed in a square of side 28 centimeter. Now this side is 28 centimeter. The side of square is 28 centimeter. So the diameter of the circle is 28 centimeter. Okay. But what we want radius. Radius is half of diameter. So 28 by 2 means 1s are 4s are. So R is equal to 14 centimeter, children. R is equal to 14 centimeter. Now to find the area of a circle, the formula is pi r square. Pi is nothing but 22 by 7 into r is 14 into r is 14. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. 22 into 2 is 44. In the rough column, you can multiply 44 into 14. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16, 17. Cross mark, 1 4s are 4, 1 4s are 4. So 6, 616 centimeter square is the answer. Remember, always the area will have square units. Okay, children? Next. Next is, a horse is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field 70 meter by 52 meter and is tethered to one corner by a rope 21 meter long. How much area can it graze? Okay. Now what is given? First of all, we will write that. Given, a horse is placed for grazing inside a rectangular field 70 meter by 52 meter and is tethered means tied to one corner by a rope 21 meters. So this size is 21 meter. It is tethered here, so it can move along this path. So it forms a sector, children. How much area can it graze? Area that can be grazed is equal to nothing but area of the sector. Now what is the formula for area of sector? X degree by 360 degree pi r square. Okay, x is nothing but the angle. So the angle, by seeing the figure, it is 90 degree by 360 degree. Value of pi is 22 by 7 into r will be 21 centimeter into 21 centimeter. This 0 0 cancel. 9 ones are 9, 9 fours are 36. 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 1s are 2 11s are 22. Next, 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So 11 into 3, 33 into 21 is what? 33 into 21. 1 threes are 3, 1 threes are 3. Cross mark, 2 threes are 6, 2 threes are 6. So 3, 9, 6. So 6, 9, 3 by 2. Now we have to divide 6, 9, 3 with 2. 2 threes are 6. Bring down 9. 2 fours are 8. 1 remains, bring down 3. 2 6 are 12. 1 remains, we will put a point and put 0. 2 5s are 10. So it is 346.5 centimeter square. The area that can be grazed is equal to 346.5 centimeter square. Okay, children. So we have completed 6 sums. Watch the video carefully and do the sums in your revision copy. Thank you.